Hi, I'm Ellen from the Chili Dog. I'm working on a pair of duck pond socks, and today I'd like to show you how to do a center double decrease. Like so many things in knitting, the center double decrease goes by many different names and abbreviations. It's also sometimes called a vertical decrease or a double vertical decrease, and you may see it abbreviated CDD for center double decrease, or by the stitches involved in the decrease, S2KP or S2KP2, which stands for slip 2 stitches, knit a stitch, and pass the slipped stitches over. The center double decrease is worked across 3 stitches. Like the name implies, the center stitch will be the prominent feature, and 2 stitches are decreased, 1 on each side. To work a center double decrease, you slip 2 stitches together knitwise. So the motion starts a lot like a knit 2 together, where you insert your right needle through 2 stitches at the same time knitwise, slip them from the left needle over to the right, knit a stitch, and then pass those 2 slipped stitches up and over the top of the knit stitch to complete the decrease. I hope you enjoyed learning how to do a center double decrease, and if you'd like to try this technique in a pattern, head over to the shop section of thechilidog.com and look for our duck pond socks. Until we stitch again, happy knitting!